What's up today, guys? Got a haircut today, and then I got this call right in the middle of my haircut. I got called for this breakdown, and I was like, yeah, sure. Yeah, so I only got half my head cut there. We're going. I got a breakdown. I'm gonna go pull some hose. Where are we going? I gotta map this place. It wants me to go that way. There's no f***ing way. It takes so long to drive through Langley. Okay, we'll see you guys there. True story. Hey you, can I borrow you for a second? Plans don't change. The plan is always to fix it. Like this whole assembly, bulldozer. I'm just confirming with the customer. Even though it's the only cat on site and there's kind of an obvious leak, I've been burned before and gone to jobs and there might be an excavator or something else on the other side of some tree line with a blown hose. I have no idea. There's a leak on this one. I'm just waiting for a confirmation. Never assume anything. They'll just say, oh, it's a cat with a leak. And there's a lot of cats in this world with leaks. Confirm when you can. I might just start pulling some things off here to, I mean, if that's all it is, could be the actual steel line though too. Maybe we'll just fire it up and see. Oh, there's a key in it. Oop. Idiot, rookie mistake. Yuck. I mean, it's just a little leak, but they must have ran it right down. Hopefully they didn't damage anything. Well, there's oil in there. I think. They might have ran it out. Okay, I'm gonna throw some in there. Oh, sorry, I'm having a brain fart what I wanted to grab. I gotta pee so bad right now, my teeth hurt. I don't know, you ever find that? It's like really hard to think when you have to piss.
Was that like method mechanicking?
What's that?
Like do what the machine does so you know what it's like?
Leak, so that I can find the leak. Just raw dogging some oil in here. I'm getting it in the hole every time. The biggest part of any dozer is if you have to go underneath and pull belly pans. They're just heavy and they're always full of mud. Like I use a crane to drop my pans always, but if you don't, and that lets go on you, well, guys have died because dozer pans have fallen on their head and split them in half. True story. We're up there now. Hi. Be my eyes for me? Hey you, can I borrow you for a second? You want to just watch down there and let me know where the leak's coming from? Run it up a little bit. Find it? It does not sound good. I think they ran this thing like right out of oil for a while. She's a little worse for wear here and there, but what are you gonna do? Oh, heck yeah, now we got the schmoo coming out. Don't mind if I do. Someone left a little snack in there for you. I wonder where it's coming from. Yeah, a lot of times you can get away with just throwing an O-ring in here. Oh, and it's just like the fitting end that's leaking there? Yeah. The only hammer you ever really need. No. No, for sakes, I grabbed the wrong sizes again. I'm a hack. Oh. That's the one. Quick and detach. I'm good. See, I see all this and I'm like, hey, well, I'll probably replace this whole hard line. You probably would want to, but now you open a can of worms. Let's see, I might just run one hose all the way through here. It's pretty corroded. I'm gonna take this off and cap it. Before we even leave, we're gonna run some pressure in it and see what happens. We could get a new hose in here and then it leaks back here because I've it all around and disturbed it and moved things and had to, you know, I had to. And this stuff's been sitting happy for who knows how long until it finally broke through on the end there, but maybe one of these now is leaking that I've had to jimmy jam it around. It's like Toyota guys know all about that, right? Little pink O-ring in there. That O-ring's still soft. Usually I use my hand to check for any leaks you can feel. Just kidding, don't ever f***ing do that. Especially on rusty lines like this. You can have like a little pinhole, and that's enough to puncture your skin and kill you. You get like gangrene from that. Therefore, let me do it. Let me be the one. No, be careful with this stuff. Big p***y wrench, here we go. My favorite. I don't want to struggle doing shit anymore. I'm tired of fighting every f***ing thing. The job's hard enough already, so why make it harder? Let's see, can I fish it out through here? I got enough. Nope, I'm gonna have to undo that too, I think. I got it plugged. I'll run it up right now. Oh, I didn't see nothing from there, so. Shaboobala. Shaboofy, isn't that new country guy? You can have that if you want. Crack your fucking lens. Whose fucking trouser snake is this? Hello? I'm between $200-300. Yeah, we won't know until we take it apart, so. Bye. Just one of those days. My big bubba. Oh, what, this? You asking about this? Where did you get that bubba from? On the Fortis website. Fortis or Tekamo's website? One of the two. I don't know. You guys can figure it out. Go to both. Go to both websites. Ours have cool pictures on them. This was my idea. I was like, put a fucking Dozer axle on there, or Dozer tranny on there, right? You know? Yeah. Didn't I come up with that?
What? Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I'm gonna take credit for these cool. Anytime there's a cool idea here, it's usually mine. Nah, that's pretty f***ing cool though. We got a couple different ones. Tell us the make and model of what that's out of, and leave it in the comments. Yeah, tell us what it is. We got these giant bubbas, and we all like them because we all like staying hydrated. You can stay hydrated too. They're hilarious to drink out of though, because like you just look like a child with a giant sippy cup. Where are we off to now? We're off to get a hose made. Blown hose? There's literally a company called Blown Hose. Well, there's nothing really close. I have to go over the bridge, I think. You better buckle in. So. Hello, can I please get a whistle dog meal with fries? No salt, please.
Fries, no salt?
I'm salty enough. Oh, hot. So I get no salt though. Eating our junk food, getting fat. Is that what it's called, mukbang? I thought it was just mukbang with how those snacking for our tum-tums. Now I gotta find a hose shop that's close by. Back over the bridge. Sometimes it is what it is. We are at the hose shop. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my hose. Woo! Nearly aged like a year and a half just waiting for that. Back over the bridge. We're back to the DOZER. Don't hit me. We got our hose, got our Doze, our hose for our Doze. We're gonna go throw this on real quick. Oops. Usually they put plastic caps on them, but
Probably just didn't have time, right?
oh yeah, he didn't have time. Didn't have any time to do that. Making it over 3 times. They mean well. I'll grab some brake cleaner and rinse that out. Make sure there's no PSIs in there. Oh yeah, that O-ring was good. It's like new. Did this guy really make my hose way too fucking long? I'll give you an extra couple inches just to be safe. That shouldn't f you up, right? This is a little bit too long. I don't like how they do that. Just make it exactly the same size though.
You got the wrong machine.
You got the... All right, we'll go throw some oil in her and Yeah. Like how they put the air box so close to the exhaust, like burn your hands when you're trying to open it. Well, that was kind of tricky to get off. Like sticky, pretty soggy in there. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Even the inner's rusty. Oh yeah, the outer's, look at all that. I love that smell. Go fire it up and check the level. Throw this back in. I mean, what good is it's gonna do, but yeah, there we go. I'm gonna put it back for now. Belts are good. A little loose. I'm sure she's put her time in, so. Just zip those guards back on and then we're good. That's it. That's all. She's done. No leaks. She's dry. Bone dry. Si bonita. That's like an OG cat bolt. Look at that. Of course, I didn't bring my ratcheting wrench. We're good. Don't want to forget all this junk in here. Where did I put my caps? I don't remember now. They're in my pocket. Sit on those later. I think it went pretty smooth. I don't know. Customer's happy. He's running again. Pretty fun, wasn't it? Now we're gonna go find some tools that I left on a machine, which I very rarely do, but must have had a foggy brain that day. But I left my really nice Koken set, the red one, on the top of this machine, and then I f***ed off for the day. And okay, see you there. Excavator. Let's see if they've loaded my trailer up yet. And they have. Look at that. Holy f***. I think that's a little too heavy for my trailer. It's a 10,000 pound trailer. You think that thing weighs more than 10K? Oh, I just got a flat tire, that's all, never mind. Look at that, I'm surprised they got that on there. You see it over there? The one that's in the Hoods Up Club. I never do that. Like, actually. I'm sorry, it was an accident. That's literally all I came here for. Yes, we came all the way out here for that. Worth it. I don't want to forget those, they're nice. Those are nice tools. Let's go home. Yeah, that's it, the day is done. It's like my dad always said. Look at that dozer. Are you still here? They're heavy too, because I had it on my passenger seat in my other truck, and it went and rolled and hit the fucking door, like boom. I'm like, oh, I better strap that down driving around with it.
If you're looking for 10% off on all tool purchases through Fortis HD, sign up for the text promotions by clicking the link in the description or by scanning the QR code on screen.
I got no room. I got no room. Shameless plug for these Bubbas because I like them. Our whole team has these actually. Check out the Fortis HD website and buy it to support our channel, I guess, you know? Why wouldn't you want to?
Are you an experienced heavy-duty mechanic thinking about going on your own? Click the link in the description to fill out the form. Tekamo, your heavy equipment support network.
What's going on? Everything is content.